Jason Wydro here with Golden Dental Marketing, and today I have a video for you that's going to outlay and overlay spam emails that you get. These are the annoying emails that tell you there's something really wrong with your website. There's something really wrong with your online marketing. These emails can often be elaborate, detailed, sound really convincing, throw in all kinds of information that sound really technically great. But what's the validity of the email? We have some clients that get 5 or 10 emails like this every single day. Let's get started. So what I'm showing you here on the screen is from the horse's mouth. This is directly from Google's guidelines provided to developers and business owners. This first bullet point here, this is what I'm talking about today. Be wary of SEO firms and web consultants or agencies that email you out of the blue. That's red flag number 1. And Google goes on to say that amazingly, we get these spam emails too. Here's what the email reads, something like, again, this is only one example Google's giving, but I am sure you've seen these yourself. If you're a dental practice owner, there is no way you haven't been bombarded with these types of emails. Dear Google.com, I visited your website and noticed that you're not listed in most of the major search engines and directories. Again, that's just an example provided by Google. They come in all shapes and sizes. So the important bullet points to keep in mind, did I get this email completely out of the blue? And are they claiming all kinds of things are wrong with my website, my online marketing, and all this technical jargon and things that I really have no idea what it means? So naturally, when we don't know what something means or we read something and we can't understand it but it sounds really alarming, well, it can make us feel pretty alarmed about it, right? Let's go on and see what Google says below. Reserve the same skepticism for unsolicited email about search engines. Google is a search engine, so they're referring to Google, as you do for burn fat at night, diet pills, or requests to help transfer funds from deposed dictators. We've all seen the scam over the years about transferring money from a dictator in some country somewhere. This is a really strong statement because Google is classifying the email that I just went over with you about your online marketing and this email you receive out of the blue directly with that garbage spam. Here's what I'm going to do for you. If you see this video and you've ever received or receive an email like I'm going over with you, these emails making all these claims, and you have even the slightest uncertainty if it's a valid email or what's going on or decipher it or anything, text your info to the number below or send an email to the info below. Is it legit? What's right about it? What's not? Generally speaking, these emails are just blanketed. There's hundreds and millions and all over the world they're sent out to companies, particularly dental practices that are hammered by these emails. And it's like, my grandfather always told me, if you take your car to a mechanic, always something can be found wrong. It doesn't mean the mechanic is, being dishonest, but it's, do you really need something? Is it just for an enhancement that may just be for a personal benefit? For example, maybe you want your headlights to be blue. They're not necessary. You don't need them by law, whatever. But a lot of times, those are the type of things that are in these big spam emails. They're just things that could be better. And again, they're just spam, so they're not really unique to you. They're sent to everybody, the same thing, and it's just alarming. And don't be fooled by spam emails that sound alarming about your marketing, about Google, about your website. Just forward it to us, let us review it for you, and then you can sleep better at night. Jason Wydro here with Golden Dental Marketing and Wydro Media. Thank you for watching. You have a great day.